Hey everyone, welcome to tonight's recap of Survivor.
The Philippines. Alright, so after Tribal, Abby and Pete were like, now what? We're alone, pretty much. Maybe we have Lisa.
Yeah, she didn't betray their alliance last week, but now she's all like, it's over.
Yeah, so the reward challenge, there was 2 teams. It was the old 3 separate circles. There was a drum for each person. They did it in teams of 2, you know, head to head.
2 people from each team faced off.
Thank you. Alright, so what are you playing for, you ask? Well, the reward
We didn't
was...
say what they had to do.
They had to flip up the drums.
You had to get all 3 of your team's drums flipped on the same side.
At the same time.
Yes.
Yeah. What are you playing for? Day of Beauty. A spa day.
Oh, you get a bath, a massage, and food.
Skewers. When they
Lots
pull
of
out the
food.
skewers, you know it's a good time. So Abby ended up getting a point for the other team because she, unbeknownst to her brain, flipped the wrong one.
I mean, there was some strategy involved in this because if you weren't paying attention, the other person could totally, like, not flip their own thing and then you flip it for them. And it's just like, what?
Right. It was really close because they did it in rounds. You know, it was head to head. So Scoopin ended up doing just that. He flipped the wrong one and it went over to the other team. So Malcolm, Carter, Abby, and Pete won. And they were the youngsters. It was like the oldsters against the over 40s.
I mean, the oldsters
against the youngsters. Yeah. So they were all like, yeah, no parents. We're having fun. But the only thing that I didn't like was them bathing you.
The people who work there, like...
Go away when I'm in the tub.
Go away for a little bit and then come back for the massage.
Maybe don't come back. Alright, the food looked really good too. They didn't really spend a lot of time on the reward.
No.
It was quick editing on that.
So they got back to the island and Abby would not shut up about the reward.
There was these shrimp and they were so tasty and then they cleaned my hair and yeah.
We get it. It was the best thing ever. Move on.
Just shut up. Alright, so they had a Final 4 deal. It was Malcolm, Scoopin, Lisa, and Denise. But Lisa would rather be with Penner than Malcolm. She trusts him more. But Penner said, thank you much, but no. You don't want it.
He doesn't want to be part of that.
He can't think about that right now. He's got to get through the next day. One day at a time, Lisa, please. Alright, so...
What would Tootie say?
I know. Scoopin, Malcolm, Lisa, and Denise. They're the Final 4 deal this week.
Alright, let's talk about the immunity challenge.
It was done in stages, the old 3-parter.
You had to get through one stage to get to the next.
Okay, so the first one was this, you had to get a buoy through a rope tangle. It was just like a mess of ropes.
Yep.
And then second stage was the old balance beam with it wrapped around, but your feet can't touch the floor. Men are at a disadvantage, pretty much, because they don't balance so good.
Yeah, but you weren't really walking across it.
Well, in general, women have to balance with these things on, so, with these buoys.
Okay, and the third stage.
Through water and over a boat. And like a little dock thing, too. That was really intense.
Yeah, so after the first stage, Denise, Malcolm, Penner, Scoopin, and Carter all made it through.
Right, and Scoopin, Carter, and Denise survived the second stage. The last part was sick because it was so close between Scoopin and Carter. And Carter had a fatal error. Well, he didn't die, though.
It wasn't fatal.
He made a big mistake. He did not get in the water and move it around the dock. He wasted a lot of time. He could have, like, totally dusted Scoopin, but it was very close. But he pulled it out of his arse in the end, and he won immunity, so Carter wins immunity. So Penner came up with a plan. Hey, guys! I'm going to split the vote.
Yeah.
So
it's obvious that pretty much everyone wants to get rid of either Abby or Pete, so...
And Abby has the idol, and everybody knows it because she held it up at the freaking tribal council and said, I got the idol. Anybody want it? So, she is dumb.
Yeah.
Yeah. So they're going to split the vote. Now, Abby and Pete, sensing impending doom, say, anybody want to flip? And Scoopin's like, do I? And
They want to try and get rid of Malcolm.
yeah. So it's tribal council. And Abby's all working the jury. She's like, Artist, I like your colors. Yes, we know you're from South America. All right, Scoopin. Probsty wants to know, are you going to screw it up? He didn't say that, but he basically said, are you going to screw this up? I know.
Pete, you moved from the top to the bottom.
You suck. All right, Abby, do you have regrets? Yes, Jeff. English is my second language, not my first language. So yeah, everybody's like, you suck. You're unlikable.
Got pretty ugly.
It really did. She was crying. She was all like, you're all bullies. And Jeff calls her out and is like, you suck.
Yeah.
So she's like, that's enough. I can't think anymore.
All right, well, it's time for the vote. And Abby plays the idol.
As expected. Pete's voted out with 3 votes. Malcolm only got 2. Abby got 3. Next time, Abby. Till next time, much love.